Hey guys, Aldin here, and this is my status update for the work week of September 30 to October 4, 2024. So on the main site, last Friday, we disavowed 83 toxic domains and 5 URLs from both SEMRush and the Google Search Console, bringing the total to 19,715 domains and 204 URLs in our disavow list. And we got 24 toxic domains on SEMrush as of yesterday. Then our 404 URLs on the Google Search Console is down to 538 after yesterday's scroll. And I processed 7 new 404 URLs and found only 2 toxic links from those 404 URLs. Then last week, we have launched our new homepage design focused on electronics recycling. So yeah, after getting the opportunity to rebuild the homepage of the site, I was able to take a closer look at the code base and the current technical situation of the site. So to summarize things, I found a lot of technical debts and issues on the site that I recommended a full rebuild, which the team agreed on, as it is the perfect timing for us to do this as we refocus the site on electronics recycling. So I did a study and intensive tests on the new WordPress stack that we will use to build the new site. So, and just for the record, I'll discuss and point out important points for every recommendation I have with the test results I got. So for the theme, I tested the 3 fastest themes published by WP Rocket. So among these themes, I recommend we use Astra, as this is one of the most popular themes in the market today, because it is light, as it needs only 50 KB of server resources. So just for reference, WordPress themes require at least 300 KBs. So yeah, so I compared the bare WordPress with its default 2024 theme. So I ran a speed test on that. So we got 90 for the performance. And when I activated Astra and ran the test again, we got 100 for the performance. So yeah, I'll be showing more comparisons using the theme in a minute. So for the page builder, in place of Thrive Architect, I recommended we use Elementor. So we already have an available spare license for this, so we can use that. So also the Astra theme is built specifically or to work seamlessly with Elementor. So as you can see here, full and seamless integration with Elementor. So I tested this as well using Astra demo sites with Elementor. So Astra has a list of starter or demo sites, and I chose this specific demo, language tutors, because it is using a fairly complex layout, as you can see here. So I ran a test on GT metrics for this demo. So it scored really high. So I tested that on a server that I have, which is around 4 times slower than what we currently have that's running our website. So I made the installation and the demo here. So the same layout. So I ran a speed test with this and it scored high as well. So this is not using any caching plugin yet. Then I used a caching plugin called WP Rocket. So it improved the performance a bit. But in the process, I found a better caching plugin called Flying Press. So when I configured it on the site, the performance score increased to 100%. So yeah, I will be recommending using this instead of WP Rocket, which we have now on our site. Yeah, but I did not stop the tests there. I tested a different setup process just to see if it will make a difference in another test using a demo with more content. So for the Astra demo, I used the tech news. So as you can see here, it has more content like a magazine or news site. So I ran a speed test on their demo and it scored really high as well. So this is without any caching plugin. So I installed it on the server, the cheap one. So as you can see here, so this is the same demo and it scored really well. This is with the image compression and caching plugin that I mentioned, which is the Flying Press. So yeah, to summarize things, for the theme, we will be using Astra in place of our nonprofit theme from Organic Themes, because the theme is really slow and coded poorly, and there are no constant updates to improve its performance. So for the builder, we will use Elementor in place of Thrive Architect, because Thrive Architect is also very slow compared to Elementor. Then for the caching plugin, Flying Press instead of WP Rocket. And for the CDN, Flying CDN in place of Rocket CDN. So we are using Yoast right now for to improve SEO of our site. We will use Rank Math over Yoast because I think Rank Math is more modern, it's faster, more intuitive, and easy to use compared to Yoast. So yeah, I think those are the most important points I needed to discuss. And all these products have solid teams behind them to support development. So yeah, I'll be creating a migration plan this week. So I'll be discussing that with the team by next meeting. So that will include the possibility of separating the green directory. So a separate WordPress installation, but the same URL structure, so we don't have to worry about the SEO later on. So it will still be greencitizen.com/green directory, but this will be a separate WordPress installation overall. So this way the directory will be isolated and won't affect the overall performance of the main site. So I'll study on that further. Then lastly, on the leads generation, so starting yesterday, I already mixed up searching for new companies within the 35-mile radius from Green Citizen with our top value companies. So I'm looking for contacts for them as well. So I have scheduled a mass email to go out to 13 new contacts yesterday. So yeah, this was scheduled yesterday. So yeah, that's it from me. Let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions. Thank you.